Run like the devil, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English expression, run like the devil. This phrase is rich in imagery and has a fascinating usage in the English language. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. Let's uncover the meaning behind this phrase and see how it's used in everyday conversation. To run like the devil means to run extremely fast or with all your might, as if being chased by the devil himself. The phrase conjures up images of someone running with urgency and speed, often to escape danger or reach a destination quickly. It's an idiomatic expression that emphasizes speed and desperation. The phrase, run like the devil, taps into the deep-rooted cultural and literary imagery of the devil as a figure of fear and urgency. Historically, the devil has been depicted as a pursuer, someone from whom one would want to escape quickly. This expression captures the intensity of running from such a figure, hence running as fast as possible. This phrase can be used in various contexts, ranging from literal situations where someone is running quickly, to more figurative uses describing someone trying to achieve something with great urgency. Here are a few examples. Literal: when the storm hit, we ran like the devil to find shelter. Figurative: he's been running like the devil to meet the project deadline. While run like the devil is a phrase used in English, many cultures have similar expressions to describe running extremely fast or with urgency. These expressions often involve mythical or fearsome creatures, showcasing the universal human theme of fleeing from danger. We hope this exploration of run like the devil has been enlightening. Phrases like these enrich our language, adding color and depth to our conversations. Whether you're using this expression in writing or speech, it's a fantastic way to convey urgency and speed. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more fascinating aspects of the English language together. See you in the next video.